I sit stable. Nella is next to me. Drone is there. Right. So, goggles on. Manual. You can see another islands here as well. I will try to maybe get lower. Like you see the waves, the wind is super strong, but not too strong for Avata 2. %67 of the battery. Okay, wind is coming from this direction. So one more time, panorama of this beautiful place. Islands. And we fly 100 kilometers per hour now. Try to go lower, and I will switch to sport mode, so this will be much easier for me to receive our drone. And the problem is, okay, I am here now. Shit, almost get lost. Maybe should I try to get in here? All right, let's try. Woo! I get in. I fly in the forest. This could be a nice shot. Here I am. Whoa. Oh my god. It's really windy. But Avata again did it. Okay, let's land this drone here. Oh, so much dust. Oof. my goodness, my neck. So I would say like this. I'm so dirty. Nella, how are you? Oh, where are you? My little girl. Come on, come on. I think we have to jump to the lake and take a bath, right? Because we are so dirty. And Avata? Huh? Drone is super dirty, but it's fine.